Use high-quality multi-strand thermostat wire and proper routing now to avoid repeated failures later. Choose 6 conductor, 24 gauge, stranded copper thermostat wire rated for low voltage HVAC control and run it separately from high voltage cables to reduce induced noise. When pulling wire through walls or crawl spaces, leave a minimum of 12 inches of extra slack at each end to allow for future thermostat moves or terminal reterminations without stressing the conductors. Protect runs that pass through framing with steel nail plates and route wires through conduit in exposed areas or where rodents are a risk to prevent abrasion and chewing. Terminate with screw or push-in thermostat terminals that match the wire type and twist stranded conductors with a small ferrule or use rated crimped end sleeves to prevent fraying and poor contact. Avoid tight bends less than 4 times the cable diameter and never staple through the jacket. Use insulated staples or cable ties with a loose fit to secure runs. Label each conductor at both ends and document the color to function mapping in a photo or short note saved with the thermostat paperwork for quicker troubleshooting later. The most common mistakes are using solid core doorbell or lamp wire that breaks under repeated flex, pinching the wire behind a thermostat plate which severs strands over time, and running low voltage wiring alongside house mains which causes EMI-induced faults. Replace solid core with stranded multi-strand wire and verify flexibility before installation. Reroute and provide strain relief at the thermostat and at the control board so the jacket does not get pinched when the thermostat is mounted. Separate low voltage and line voltage runs or add grounded metal conduit between them to eliminate interaction and interference. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and local contractors around projects like HVAC wiring so we can find contacts for repairs or upgrades. Our community discussion boards let us ask questions, share photos, and learn from other homeowners and contractors about best practices and contractor experiences.